Yeah, you can't do that. 엄마.
매출의 삼가시.
I'm confused by all of this.
3부 검찰관 황신욱이다.
I love how like everybody knows exactly where he's sitting, so they know exactly where to turn.
He's a troublemaker, you know. Everybody knows him.
They wouldn't have all known where he was sitting.
No, like if one person behind or like next to is like see
내
that
지위를
man,
받은 기관이
people can notice.
연이은 사건 사고와 추문의 근저가 된 데 책임을 통감하고 나 이창규는 검사장직에서 사임한다.
Oh, what?
He's resigning.
Now?
Looks like it.
No. Was there a condition? Let's go back. Sorry.
더불어 내 지위를 받은 기관이 검사장직에서 사임한다.
He's stepping over to.
No, he's resigning.
Yeah, I know. 2 steps ahead.
That's not what it.
But remember from the hotel, the conversation that he had with his father-in-law, they were saying, good, okay, let's make a progress. And before the father-in-law said that, he said that I'm not considering to go right up her title from what I have right now. Meaning he's gonna go 2 steps above. So he's aiming for a higher position.
시검장 취임식도 안 했습니다. 그 자리가 그리 쉽습니까? 오고 싶다고 오고 가고 싶다고 가는 그런 자리였습니까 우리 직업이?
특임의 공식 수사 권한은 지금부터입니까?
I don't care what's going on there. What is it now? Now they have 2 teams.
I have no idea.
People following him and people following the other guy.
I have no idea what's happening.
실무는 지금부터. 특임 사무실은 중앙지검에 갖춰질 거야. 수사팀부터 편성해.
You have team? Does it mean that he can cooperate with other?
소동지 검사 재산 보유 내역이 필요합니다. 바로 영장 들어가겠습니다.
또 없나? 기다렸던 듯이 파헤치고 후려칠 사람. 또 없어?
You.
아직은요.
You said he assigned him to attack him, but it looks like he gave him authority to do whatever he wants.
선배님, 전 뭐부터 할까요?
하지마.
네.
Oh, this guy's acting.
every time. Oh, 어떡해!
He's going straight to Mr.
Oh.
Sell's office.
엄마, 왜 이러세요?
Fantastic.
What is he hiding?
What's he gonna do? Throw it out the window?
No, put it back into that air conditioner.
죽고 싶어? 누굴 상대로 수작질이야? 뭘 봐?
I love his crazy eyes.
책임을 지는 게 아니라 회피할 생각부터 하다니
서동세방 털리더라. 아니 수습은 못할 망정 얼마나 발칵 뒤집어 놓으려고 걔를 임명해.
그러니까 지는 발랐잖아.
Oh, in the toilet. He's hiding in the toilet. Oh.
Oh, that's why it's in the
Oh.
Ziploc bag. He's
Oh.
gonna put it in the
Oh.
back, what's it called?
밥 먹고 할 일들이 그렇게도 없어요?
가시죠.
네.
I thought he was not going to work with him because he saw that he was getting something from Song.
해보자. 묻고 싶은 거 있으면 언제든 물어라.
What was it?
Young somebody.
저희 대신 밤 새워주세요.
From other colleagues. They suddenly get like, I got your back,
This is just my observation, but if they were to have an investigation about that office, wouldn't it be better to have an office there than at the central office where then they have to go like back and forth? Anyways.
Well, I guess the chief wanted to avoid any uncomfortable situation that he might have to go through. Like when he sees people that he has to investigate in everyday basis, then that's gonna make him uncomfortable, even though he would not be the kind of person. And also all the papers, like there's a possibility
Okay.
of being stolen since there's no CCTV apparently when they always steal each other's.
Okay.
파견 수사가?
그럼 피해 협조한다고 해.
Lieutenant Han, he's in the team? That means that he trusts him, right?
I suppose.
I think it's fishy.
강력반 장건입니다. 잘 부탁드립니다. 저 소개는 다 오면 하죠.
누가 더 보시려나?
Friend.
안녕하세요. 안녕하십니까?
What a suit. Legend. I don't remember.
다 오신 것 같으니까 통성명하고 시작하겠습니다. 전 황시목입니다. 그리고 김호섭 수사관님.
하나님 무슨
I know.
서부지검 사건과 윤세원 과장님.
그 회사로 찾아왔다는데?
어머.
수술 얘기도 알고 있고.
김정보님. 이상하게 재판 이후로 계속 나타나서요. 우연치고 너무 절묘하게. 경위님이 좀 알아봐 주실 수 있을까요? 친구는 가까이, 적은 더 가까이
That's what I
들어가
was just about to
있습니다.
say.
잘 부탁드립니다.
But there are only 3 people that he doesn't know.
아니 왜?
Yeah, only 3 people. And there's only 2 people that he fully trusts, like those 2 women, and he doesn't know about him yet.
2013년 당시 상화건설 대표인 박무성의 음주 뺑소니 사건을 무혐의 처리해준 서동재 검사입니다. 시작장입니다.
아니 내 말은요 김 기자님 이 박경원이 조사할 때부터 있었다니까요. 멍이 걔가 체포될 때 별 난리를 다 쳤었대. 경찰한테 말했다고 그렇게 발표를 해버리든.
부검사 측에서 일방적으로 제보를 한 모양입니다.
특임 시작되면 제일 먼저 서구랑 칠 거야, 서동지.
그냥 안 잡히는 게 좋은데.
Oh, water inside?
No, it should have been the ziploc.
박무성 뺑소니 담당했던 것이고요.
The man.
그리고 여기는 박무성이 단골로 가던 접대 장소입니다. 박무성 작은 배달지.
나는 뭐예요?
내일 기자회견 때 발표할 성명서 준비하면 됩니다.
그럼 혹시 대변인? 내가?
검사님, 서검사 사전 구속 기각됐는데요.
박무성 계좌 내역입니다. 4년치. 고생들 하십시오.
서.
검사장님.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
수고도 많아요. 김정권, 박경환 고문 수사를 발표한 시민운동가. 공정성에 있어서 누구도 반기 못 들겠어. 신의 한 수야.
그래서 내가 대변인이구나. 얼굴마다.
Shut up, shut up, shut up!
총장님. 네. 셔츠 내리고.
It's a little degrading. On purpose, of course. Power play.
우리도 갑시다.
형님 알았죠? 김정보. 우리 몰먹이 그 새끼가.
일단 아무 말 맞아요.
무슨 일 있어요?
경환인데 고문당한 게 자작극이라고 했대요.
용산서에서?
네, 경환 씨.
우리가 물 먹은 거 같아요? 아니면 물 먹인 거 같아요?
나만 갖고 내가
서검사 사전 구속 기각이던데요.
특임에서 실적을 내면 구속되겠지.
Like he acts like he supports him, but he actually doesn't.
I have no idea.
He's just a puppet
감사합니다.
of his father-in-law.
아니지. 원망해야지. 같은 식구 배라고 갈자를 지어준 거니까. 홍태기, 자네가 지금 이 자리에 왜 있는지 알고 있나?
왜 제가인지 모릅니다만 무엇을 제가 해야 하는지는 알고 있습니다.
장관은 아직이던데. 자네 건물 어때? 아, 직업이 좀 별론가. 흔히들 검사나 의사나 같은 사자를 쓰는 줄 알고 있는데 의사는 스승사자를 쓰고 변호사는 성비사자를 쓰는데 유독 우리 검사만 일사자를 쓴단 말이야. 깃발을 높이던 모양이라거든. 우린 그래야 돼. 한 검사 방향을 제시해주는 사람, 선봉에서 기준이 돼주는 사람. 그게 우리의 본 모습이라는 걸 국민들께 보여줘.
Good word.
이게 능사가 아니지 않나? 죄송합니다. 그래, 시작해.
Okay, first of all, he has a daughter?
That's what that guy made it seem like. And
Right.
so did he accept the resignation or not?
I don't think so.
내 마지막 소임이 너였어.
No, I guess he did.
저녁 같이 하지. 밥 한 끼인데 편하게 생각해.
You're still my suspect. Ooh, wow.
소수정예인가 보다. 팀워크 좋겠어요. 강력반 여형사는 처음이네. 잘해줘요? 잘해줄 이유는 없으니까요. 아, 그렇구나. 오셨나 보다.
황시목입니다.
TV보다 훨씬 예쁘시다. 소년 같네. 그죠, 여보?
She's trying to be a good host, I guess. Keep everything lighthearted. Nobody's sitting down until he sits down. Is that the general?
Yeah, I guess. I mean, it's clearly an uncomfortable situation.
결혼들은 하셨어요? 아니, 있으신가?
None of them?
Oh, they're all.
They're all single?
전 3살입니다. 아들이 3살.
3살때가 제일 예쁜데 지금 많이 봐주세요.
제가 집에 잘 못 들어가가지고요.
특임 때문에 바쁘시구나. 벌써 시작하셨나 봐요?
Getting all the information. She's trapped.
황 검사는요?
누구요?
없구나. 내가 소개시켜줄까? 괜찮죠? 네? 뭐 저도 예쁜 아가씨들 좋아합니다. 이게 무슨... 여자의 적은 여자라는데? 여자의 적은 여자라는 말에 맞장구 치는 사람들은 자기가 지금까지 다른 여자 적으로 대해온 게 아닐까요?
She just doesn't give any.
대박이야.
And he's like, and I'm the one who can't feel emotion. Read the room.
아버지세요?
TV보다 좋아 보이네.
Is there like a secret handshake? Like, I don't. Why does this have to be so awkward? Oh my gosh, so weird.
그래, 최후의 만찬인 것 같네.
회장님 식사 같이 안 하시죠?
What was he?
He was offering for having meal together.
저희는 이만 가보겠습니다.
Wow.
아직 안 끝났는데?
끝난 것 같은데요.
애써서 준비한 사람 앞에서 이게 무슨...
아니에요. 안녕히 가세요.
Alright, I need some kind of an explanation. So was that literally just an intimidation thing? Or is it like, just so you know, like this is who I'm connected to, so the investigation better not lead towards us? What was the point of all
Maybe
that?
that's the message that she was trying to give to the people. But the people would have been absolutely uncomfortable because they know that Bang Mu-sung had a strong tie with people, especially in high-ups in prosecutor's office. And he was the top of top.
But Shimo only said, okay, it's time to go after he had shaken hands with
Father-in-law.
I think, so rather than like go through like the charade of continuing to have like a nice meal, it's like, okay, well, the reason why we were brought here is done, so let's just leave and not even act like this is normal.
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
아줌마, 이거 다 버려요. 달랑 한 끗 차이긴 하잖아요. 검사장, 검사, 별것들 아니었어, 특임.
Wow, she really is more than meets the eye.
What do you mean by meets the eye?
Like appearances aren't everything. At first, I thought she was just wife of the rich guy that the prosecutor married just so that he could have access to a more powerful person.
But she also
But she's also
learned something
like
from her.
part of the
Yeah. She's managing the family business, you know?
뜨끈뜨끈한 거에다가 이거 한 잔만 더. 내일 뵙겠습니다. 그럼 뭐 배고픈 중생끼리.
경호원 건은 어떻게 돼가요?
근데 인권위에서도 그러는데 반박할 방법이 없대. 누구 또 증명해줄 사람 없어요?
판검 사랑이 되게 오래되셨나봐요.
Don't tell me you're like gonna smash the thing on his fingers.
Was it shown?
No.
저기 혹시 윤 과장님 집안에 무슨 문제 있어요? 아이가 안 생긴다고.
He's gay.
죽었어요 아이가.
Wait, what?
어쩌다
His
그래요?
kid died?
교통사고요.
He?
유치원에서 소풍 간다고요.
어머.
올해 휴직하셨어요 윤
They
과장님.
probably would have known.
복귀한 지 얼마 안 돼요.
Yeah, they all knew this. They worked together.
And her picture to the
In the
wall.
middle. I don't really see the reason that the chief, the one that chief
yeah.
took Shimok to, he's the head of this whole
Okay.
department. But he's also just a puppet of that father-in-law.
I'm very lost
Like,
in this
I
show.
don't know why did they approve to have this team when clearly they don't want Shimok to find the real culprit. And not even just finding a real culprit, but also they don't want this whole story to be shown to the public. Say like basically, yeah, go ahead and dig it all up when they clearly don't want it. Yeah.
Yeah. You shouldn't be there.
Sweater, food.
Probably returning his sweater. I don't trust her.
Yeah, you can't do that.
너 내려놔. 나가.
왜 저는 안 돼요, 특임에?
여기가 네 원한 풀어주는 데인 줄 알아? 나가.
여기 있을 줄 알았어. 어우, 나 뭐 놓고 왔나 봐.
No. She knows what she's doing.
Oh no, maybe she really likes him.
삼촌은 역시 보쌈이야.
떨어졌는데?
Mama. Well, new sweater.
Awesome.
Huh? 보쌈? 보쌈 is a thing that you don't like that much, but I love. 보쌈. 보쌈. Sam means wrap, and it's either steamed or boiled pork that you wrap with cabbage.
Yeah.
And eat it with the marinade that you marinate kimchi with. Yeah, I made it several times whenever I make kimchi.
박무성이 접대 많이 했다던 그 식당이요. 그 세무조사 급살로 맞았다던데요?
뺑소니 목격자는 하루 만에 진술을 뒤집었어요.
검사장님 사퇴하고 한조그룹으로 가시려나? 처가회사인데.
처가 회사인데가 아니라 처가 회사니까죠. 에? 그 초대형 낙하산으로 딱 그냥.
그런 분이었나?
그리고 장영선님은 내일 10시에 참고인 조사했습니다. 반드시 늦지 않게 데리고 와주십시오. 제가 참고인 주소를 아직 못 받았는데 내일 출발 때 알려드리겠습니다.
Don't have an address for who? It's a little overkill with the cameras.
But to show that this case is getting all the attention. Who was it? Who was it? 엄마! 영은수! The woman prosecutor's mom.
머리라도 갖다 놔 이 새끼들아.
He's so awkward. Oh, I love it.
명절이라 선물이 많이 들어왔어요. 그냥 과일 상자길래 그이가 온 다음에 풀어봤다가 상자에 붙은 명함으로 전화를 했고 준 사람이 도로 와서 가져갔어요. 그게 다예요.
He's not wearing glasses anymore. He looked better with the glasses.
2013년 서 검사님의 매형 김지현 씨가 이사로 등재된 회사 신축 건물을 짓는 과정에서 건축비 축소 계약, 공사 계약 당사자는 고 박무성 씨였고
듣도 보도 못한 개소리야.
Oh! They found it! Oh, they took a picture already. Let me see.
앞으로 오라 그래. 바쁘신데요. 말씀 전해달라 하셨습니다. 구속은 이걸로도 충분 조건이다. 특임은 길다. 여죄는 남기지 않겠다.
내가 알고 있는 거.
거래는 없다라고도 하셨는데. 일부 정도 받았어. 댁에 가 계시면 구속영장 나올 거라고요. 외출은 삼가시고. 지금 나갑니다.
네, 이제 그만 가셔도
고마워요.
고마우실 거 없습니다.
I guess this is going to reveal that there's no wrong that the previous minister made.
So that woman was her mom?
What? But how? You know what I'm saying?
No.
Why do you think that mom cried and said thank you to Shimo? That is because Shimo promised her that he's going to reveal that he didn't do anything wrong. Then in order to do that, he had to find out who the real person took the money was. Oh, was that 서검사?
Well, you'd want to find out who sent the money. So what happened to the money?
That's what nobody knows yet.
I thought she said she got what appeared to be like a bundle of fruit,
Oh, right.
but it was really cash.
Right. She said that they called that number back and the person came and got their money back.
Oh, is that what she said?
Yeah, but that's what she's saying. The reason that he was blamed was because nobody know where that money gone.
How did anybody know that he even got the money?
Because there's a part where it's saying that he got the money.
Who?
Right. There was a group of prosecutors went to his apartment to find the money.
I don't
and
remember.
in that time, he got struck.
If the money wasn't there, how did they find the money? If the money
I
wasn't
guess they
there.
found a record or something.
There was no record, it was all cash. There's no paper trail.
But then how? Yeah, then how did?
I don't know. I'm confused by all of this. I wouldn't want to go anywhere with that guy alone at all. You don't have to escort him out.
He did that on purpose. He released her from his office on purpose.
Yeah, obviously, like,
so that he can see her.
That was the whole point. Because
말씀 전해달라 하셨어.
oh gosh, don't pull this. Like, oh, I'm feeling faint. I'm gonna fall down the stairs. Oh, no, he's faking it. Gosh.
I don't know what he's playing. It's gonna be more difficult for him to like sneak out or something if he's in the hospital. Like I'm not following this show at all.
3년이나 두문불출 해줬으면 내 뜻 알겠지. 무덤까지 가져갈 테니 뱉은 거 지켜.
무슨 말씀이신지.
황시무기가 은수 엄마를 데려갔어. 나한테 시위한 거야. 아는 거 토해내라고. 그놈이 아무리 난리를 쳐도 난 입도 뻥끗 안 해. 그러니 너희들도 움직이지 마. 네 장인한테 똑똑히 전해.
알겠습니다.
He did that on purpose. After he got blamed for being bribed, if he wanted to, he could have revealed everything, which will lead them a lot of harm. But he chose a deal. Because if he does then, his family is gonna be in danger. So he made a deal with them that, okay, you can take me down, but
Don't mess with my family.
But Shimok started to find what the truth is. Now I know.
Are you sure?
About him.
기어이 네가 널 버리는구나. 어리석은.
So Mr. Lee must have been like his protege, yeah?
마포서입니다. 박무성 음주병 소녀를 재조사한 것 같습니다.
갈 길로 가네.
야 어디세요?
아우 저 뒤로 타시면 되는데 뭐야 경찰. 아
범인은 또 어디 데려다줬습니까?
고맙습니다.
안녕하세요. 수사 협조 좀 부탁드립니다. 마흔이 누웠죠?
So they make a reservation under her name so that it wouldn't be the powerful men's names who.
드릴 말씀이 제가 실은 검사님 뒷조사를 했습니다. 회사에서 요청이 있어서요. 검사장님께 보고했습니다. 죄송합니다.
집에서 얘기하더라고요.
그럼 다 아시고.
네.
하는 김에 오늘은 제가 커피까지 풀 서비스로.
맛있다. 이거 카페에서 사온 거 같네요.
와 진짜 그러네?
Oh my
이모가.
goodness.
I didn't see a label.
From the previous episodes, they were always using that same.
아직도 병원에 계세요?
하필 서 검사님 때문에. 서 검사님이 얼마 전에 용돈 쪼라고 봉투를 주셔서 곤란했었나 봐요, 계장님. 계장님 그거 다 저 주셨어요, 수사비 메꾸라고. 근데 서 검사님은 계장님이 돈만 먹었다고 막 먹튀라고 쪼더라고요.
그거 맛있어? 별로? 그러네? 그럼 난 딴 거.
다녀온 일은 어떻게 됐습니까? 김강희가 한 달에 2-3번 정도 이거 월요일마다 호텔 예약을 했더라고요. 근데 이게 남자를 당최 모르겠네.
호텔비 남자 카드로 결제했을 거 아니에요?
현금으로.
와,
CCTV 요청해놨는데 이 시간이 너무 지나가지고
난 성문일고에 있는 친구랑 얘기를 해봤는데 걔네도 아직 제보자를 모른대요. 좀 이상하대요. 그 서부지검 검사장이 한쪽으로 그 사이라는 걸 뻔히 아는데 스폰서 제보를 단 한 번에 통과시켰다는 거죠. 아주 이례적이라고 하대요.
They are walking on the path that they prepared. They are loaded. Hanjo are loaded.
Being set up essentially.
잠깐 좀 보죠.
So I'm sorry. So the other handsome prosecutor who put all the delicious bread.
Oh yeah.
He was fishy, but that fishiness is solved by his confession.
Yeah.
And the other man who worked in Shimok's office, she said that yeah, he got the money, but he gave me that and all that thing. So he's clear. So only one person that's not clear in this team is his friend. I just want to keep following what's going on because like there are only women that I can understand.
영일재 장관 부인이요. 그분 소환도 특임이랑 상관이 있어요?
네,
아니 그럼 말을 해줘야죠.
보안상 필요했습니다.
누가 얼마 안 되는데요?
이창준하고 한조그룹이요.
이윤범까지 엮어놓자는 거예요 지금.
뿌리를 제대로 뽑지 않으면 장가지가 계속 뻗어나갈 겁니다. 언젠간 누군간 해야 하니까요.
만만치 않을 텐데. 하긴 우린 만만한가? 김정문 씨 알아봐달라고 한 거예요. 무료 법률 조언도 하고 NGO 활동도 아주 열심히고요. 뭐 다른 분들은?
계장님도 서동지하고 내통 없이 증거물 잘 찾아주셨고 윤 과장도 자기가 먼저 저 뒷조사한 거 얘기 꺼내더라고요.
나는요? 내 뒷조사는 뭐 다른 사람이 하고 있나?
그런 일도 그럴 일도 없습니다.
한주 깔령 깝시다.
It's fine. Do we see their wedding at the end of the episode? It's fine.
Handcuffed.
진짜 가려고? 기가 죽을라고 어디지 소속 부장을 오라가라야! 혹시 왜 불렀는지 몰라?
Fishing.
Oh! Oh! He run away.
Oh yeah.
어떻게
Under the impression that he was under arrest.
No, the other.
검사님 병원에서
방금 들었습니다.
정말 기적이 있나 봐요.
Ah, she woke up. 가영.
저 좀 살려주십시오.
저 뭐든지 하겠습니다 의장님.
뭐든지 할 사람 많아요.
검사장이 말씀 안 드린 게 있습니다.
Bum bum bum. So,
I mean, again, there's no point to try to guess who the real culprit is gonna be. So let's just not do that.
okay. So, what did we learn in that episode? That
We know that the previous minister already knew who real person was. He made a deal to protect his family. And he even kept that from his daughter. Well, it is good drama because the new things keep popping up, not giving me a time to completely process what happened. Like, it doesn't give me a time to recap. It's just, here, take this, and just keep luring me to run faster.
But
It's good in that
it's still
in
entertaining.
that thing, yeah.
All right.